In this lesson, we'll learn how to read the small version of ya, you, yo. To start, what is this character? Ya. We can add a small ya to the end of any of these 12 characters. The small ya essentially removes the e sound and replaces it with ya. Repeat after each one. Kya, gya, sha, ja, cha, ja, nya, hya, bya, pya, mya, lya. Note that when we Romanize these combinations, we don't include a y after sh, ch, or j. This is because these letters naturally create a y sound when combined with a vowel. Kyaku, kyaku. Jagaimo, jagaimo. Omocha, omocha. What is this character? Yu. We can add a small u to the end of any of these 12 characters. Again, the small u essentially removes the e sound and replaces it with yu. Repeat after each one. Kyu, gyu, shu, ju, chu, ju, nyu, hyu, byu, pyu, myu, ryu. Kyuri, kyuri.週末、週末。留学、留学。What is this character? Yo. We can add a small yo to the end of these 12 characters. Repeat after each one. Kyo, gyo, sho, jo, cho, jo, nyo, hyo, byo, pyo, myo, ryo. Kyou, kyou. Shoyu, shoyu. Byoki, byoki. In this lesson, we learned how to use the small ya, yu, yo characters. Congratulations, you have completed the Hiragana Basics online course. You should now have a basic understanding of each Hiragana character and how they come together to create words. It will take some time for you to become able to read Hiragana fluently and automatically, so make sure to practice by reading whenever you get a chance. Now that you've mastered all 46 hiragana characters and their variations, consider learning katakana. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.